If you saw my last video, this is the same Libby cup lid. Here's the extra seal step that I use. I use a UV light that I got from Amazon. It'll be linked in my storefront if you can't find one. And this is UV resin. It comes 3 in a pack. I got this from Amazon too. And this is just a silicone tool. I think it's used for some makeup or something. So I found these nail art tools in the makeup aisle in Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go with these because originally these is what I was looking for and I couldn't find them nowhere. I've been looking for these little tools for months. So I finally found some in Dollar Tree. Actually, I like using any tool that got like a silicone tip at the end because it helps spread the UV resin out good on the project. So this one got like a flat end and I'm gonna go ahead and use this. See, it helps get them edges. UV resin is liquid, but it don't usually drip unless you just got way too much. For some reason, I don't know if that's the magic inside the resin, but it don't drip easily. So I'm gonna put like a nice little amount on the top. And now I'm just gonna like basically spread it all around the top and as close to the edge as I can get. And a quick tip, when I use UV resin, I usually take my time because you'll think you spread it out evenly and then you go to put it under the light and it dry and you notice it's so many spots because the liquid is clear so you could easily miss something. So I sped it up a little bit because I really like to make sure that I got all those edges covered. So after I spread the UV resin all over, I'll let it sit for like a minute before I do this step. This step, I don't have my long neck lighter, don't know where it is, but I use a lighter to get out the air bubbles. And you got to keep in mind, UV resin is like a thick consistency, so it got a lot of air bubbles. You can also use like the heated guns. So I just slide it in there and I put it on 99 seconds. Yeah, and I'm actually drinking out the cup as we speak. I made some matcha. I just started a vlogging channel and I made a matcha. It was so disgusting, but I had to drink it. And this, I made this in another video. It's just a coaster. Now, I didn't put the UV resin on top of that because I wanted to see how it held up if I only used the sticker paper and the laminate sheet. And it is doing its thing, I can't say. Okay, so now it's done. I didn't show, but I think I put it on like another 30 seconds. And this is me just checking to make sure I covered all the spots. Now you see how it looks sealed in and shiny. I mean, the UV resin really does its thing. Look at that from the side. You really got to make sure you cover all the spots or you will be mad if you miss a spot because then you'll have to put a layer on top of the whole thing because for some reason it just won't look right if you try to cover in that one little spot. So yeah, this is the final look. This was just a quick little video because I got a couple questions asking me about how to use UV resin. I'm going to come back with a couple more videos on how to use resin. So if you want to see more videos like this of affordable DIYs you can do at home and possibly turn them into a business, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you on the next one.